Welcome back friends, this is Udit and you are watching Ultra Technical Trending News. So without further ado, let's get started. Well, if you are a tech person, then you should be well aware about the tension rising between the social media platforms and the government. As government has established new IT rules and also given an ultimatum to the Twitter and the other social media platform to act on them. So what are these? Let's find out. Well, one of the things was to appoint a grievance officer within their company to solve the user issues on the platform. Well, at first all of the social media platforms were hesitant to follow this new rule, and also WhatsApp has sued the government, but that didn't go very well at the end. Well, after a long conflict, all of the social media platforms have established a grievance officer in their company, but Twitter has established a grievance officer which is not a full-time employee, and because of that government has sent an ultimatum to the Twitter to establish a permanent grievance officer. So what will happen if the Twitter doesn't comply with the rules? Well, one of the two things can be happen. First, the government can ban Twitter, and the second, the government can revoke it security. This is what if any controversial post is posted on Twitter which results in a havoc created in our country, then the government will held responsible to Twitter country. So just give me feedback in the comment section. Like, share and subscribe.